Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Osinga, and if you're new here, I'm a registered dietitian and I speak a lot about meal prepping and plant-focused eating. So the meals I'm going to be meal prepping today for you are all inspired by my favorite takeout options. We have some rice paper rolls, we have a veggie burger, a veggie Crunchwrap Supreme. So that's what I've done for the theme of today's video, and definitely head on over to my website, nicoleosinga.com, to grab the full recipes and stay tuned to watch me make all these delicious takeout or fake out inspired meals. All right, let's get started.
All right, the first recipe we're going to start with are these tofu rice paper wraps. They look fancy, but they're actually not too hard to make. So we're first going to start with prepping the tofu that's been pressed. I'm just going to be chopping it up into small slices. I'm pan frying it and I'm adding a marinade. Grab the recipe on my website, nicoleosinga.com. And once that's pan fried, I'm going to prep the actual rice paper rolls. I'm going to have some chopped veggies, cucumber, cabbage, and carrot ready. So I'm soaking in hot water for about 30 seconds, then I'm assembling all the inputs on the rice paper roll, and then you're just going to be rolling it up sort of like a burrito, wrapping the sides in and rolling from the bottom. I'm still perfecting this, to be honest. Do that a few times and you'll have 4 per serving, and it looks so pretty, doesn't it? The next recipe we're going to be making are these roasted red pepper and black bean burgers. These are really delicious and they stay together quite nicely as well. So we're starting out with making a flax egg. So we're adding 1 tablespoon of flaxseed to 3 tablespoons of water, letting that sit for about 5-10 minutes. And then we're mashing together all the other ingredients. So that's the canned black beans that are already drained and rinsed, along with a few other spices. So that's paprika, cumin, and then some garlic powder. Adding some flour as well. Use whatever type of flour you have. It really doesn't matter. I use an all-purpose baking flour, along with the red pepper and the formed flaxseed eggs. So just mash everything together, form them into burger patties, and then bake them in the oven at 375 for half an hour and flip halfway. And then add them to your burger with your favorite toppings. Enjoy. The next recipe is inspired by Taco Bell's Crunchwrap Supreme recipe. So first I'm going to prep the veggies. So I'm just chopping the lettuce. I chopped the tomatoes off camera as well. And then I'm going to be preparing the ground round or the Beyond Meat input. You could use regular ground beef if you'd like. So I have the burgers and I'm just mashing that up a little bit with the potato masher, and then I'm just frying that in the frying pan and adding a bit of taco seasoning to it as well. And then once that's prepared, I'm going to be arranging that in the tortilla. So the first quarter is going to be the veggies, the lettuce and tomatoes. I'm adding a cream cheese mixture, but you could add a vegan queso if you wanted to, or a regular queso. And then the next one, I'm adding the ground beef mixture in, and then some cheese, folding them up as so, and I just fry them in the frying pan. So easy and delicious. So now you get to see what everything looks like together. So like I said, the vegan Crunchwrap Supreme, the tofu rice paper rolls. I have the black bean and roasted red pepper burgers along with some sweet potato fries. And then this is a great smoothie I whipped up as well.
Well, thanks so much everyone for joining me for another Meal Prep Sunday video. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to never miss another video, and grab the full recipes on my website, nicoleosinga.com. All right, thank you so much everyone. Have a great day.